Okay guys, this is itel 20,000 mAh with two USB port, 2 USB output, 1 Type-C input, 100 input with a torchlight by the side. Can you see? With an indicator. Yeah, most of you, once this power bank has issue, it's either you throw it away or you leave it with the engineer. I get there's already a solution for it. The brand new replaceable itel power bank panel is now available. The brand new replaceable itel power bank is now available. What you just need to do is that you place an order for this, and I send it to you in irrespective of your location. So you just take one pieces of this, and you seeing this, and you take it to an engineer. They will open it for you and they will help you to slot this one inside and attach the positive and the negative side in it directly. Once they put it, it will start working. Some of you have the USB issue, they will just put the brand new, it will start working as though it is new again. It will start working like new again. If you have the Type-C issue, if you have Android issue, once you buy the brand new, the brand new replaceable panel is gonna work perfectly. Yeah, with a torchlight on it, with an indicator by the side, and with a torchlight on it. Once you buy the brand new, is with an indicator by the side, and also the power button. So I'm going to test it in your presence for you to see. Are you seeing this? So it's working perfectly. This is brand new. So we have them in 06. Can you see? We have them in 06 and also have them in retailer. And we can supply to you. As many quantity that you need. Replaceable itel power bank panel for itel 20,000 mAh. itel 20,000 mAh. We can supply it to you as many as you need. So it's now available. Stop throwing the power bank away. The replaceable itel power bank panel is now available. And you see. Thank you guys.